All right, what's up, guys? Adequacy here, and today I'm going to show you how to earn 60% yield every single month. Yeah, that's right, 60% per month. It's actually better than that. It comes out as 2.5% per day with the new PLC Ultima. All right, so 60% per month is just even, assuming you don't compound, but let's just keep it simple. I want to show you today how you can start earning some serious bucks. And if you are, privileged, right, to see this information right as I'm dropping this video today, you can get in on day one. This farm is launching in a few hours from now, and you can get in from day one. All right. So let me tell you a little bit about PLC Ultima. The founder is Alex Reinhardt. Is no stranger. Is not a small boy in cryptocurrencies. He's been in the market for many years. In fact, you can see he's listed in so many of these publications, Forbes, Entrepreneur, and he was actually listed as the top 10 most prominent figures in cryptocurrency by Entrepreneur Magazine. All right, so he's been in the market, and where they're launching this Ultima Farms, right? And actually, it's a new coin that has been launched about 2 weeks ago. So you're not entirely new to this ecosystem or entirely first to this ecosystem, but you are first to get the farms. Okay, so the coin launched about almost 2 weeks, if not exactly 2 weeks from now, and it has already done 5,000%. Okay, so this coin has done 5,000%. I'm going to show you the blockchain and I'll show you all those details. But you know, some of the things we check out where we want to know a project is secure. First thing is we check out the reputation of the management team, the guys behind it. Who's the developer. All right. So that's why I started with Alex Reinhardt. But the second thing is you want to check the project itself, the technology. Is decentralized. They have PLCU has its own blockchain. I'm going to show that to you. There's 100% liquidity from the first day. All right. There's a white paper. I'm going to give you guys all the links to check out. Um, and this is not just another meme coin or another coin just to make money. There's a serious infrastructure behind this. All right. I'll spend some time showing you that, but I won't go into details. But just to let you know, there's huge utility for this project. PLC already has a community of 700,000 users. So talk about adoption. All right. The maximum supply is 11 million, and the initial supply is 25,000 coins. That is crazy. So if you're able to get, some part of this 25,000, literally you become a millionaire. All right, going by this tokenomics. You can also see there's a burning fee of 1% per transaction, which means this coin is deflationary and it's automatically engineered to actually skyrocket. All right. So just a little about the infrastructure. You can see they have a blockchain. I'll show you the block explorer. There's a private wallet, all right, and then there's a farm where you'll be able to stake. So you're going to stake your coins, and then you can earn the 2% per day. And you can see that it's fully decentralized, as they have decentralized nodes and all that. So let's go over to the website at plcultima.com, where you can see everything I'm talking about. Blah blah blah. So come down here, 5 years in development. They have 2 patents, or a global patent on this technology. Okay, so how do you become a user? What are you going to do exactly? The first step is to register on the website. I'm going to give you the links below this video in the description. So just go there, use my referral link. You actually can't go and just buy a farm. You have to go through a referral, an affiliate link. So please use mine. Thanks. Then you download 2 apps. You're going to download, the wallet, the private wallet where you keep the coins, and also the farm. It's another app, and these 2 apps work together. You're going to activate the farm, and then it starts minting automatically. So you can see this is how the apps look like. It's going to be available on App Store. This is launching today, by the way. Okay, launching today. I've been watching the whole PLC and Alex Reinhardt for 4 years. So I know exactly what they do. I know the dev is 100% legit. I'm part of the community for about 1 year, and I've made serious money from their products. And also, um, you can see it's easy, it's safe. You have a private key, and it's fully functional. You have 100% control over your funds. The next thing I want to show you here is the block explorer. So you can actually go to plcultima.info, and I think there's a link that actually takes you there on this page. Okay, I need to slow down a little. So if I scroll down here, yes, you can see block explorer. So from plcultima.com, you can click this link and it will take you over to the block explorer. All right, the blockchain is already live. I'm going to show you some exciting things over on the blockchain. But before I go there, you can see that the code base is the Litecoin fork, and but some interesting things here. Look at it. In circulation is just 25,000 coins. They've already burnt 475. Do you guys know what that means? Okay, 500,000 coins were created. 475 coins have been burned. If you don't know what burning means, it means they have destroyed those coins. They send them into a particular wallet where that wallet doesn't have a send button, a send function. So you send it into like a bottomless pit where you can't retrieve them ever again. All right. So right now we only have 25,000 coins, and I'm sure that these coins are reduced because for every transaction, the coins are being burnt. Okay, so this is the blockchain here, and you can see we're already having transactions on the block explorer here, right? Look at the summary over here. Yeah, total supply I showed you was 500,000. Guys, can you see this? It's actually 22,000 coins that are available, and you have 475 coins that have been burnt. So the available supply is reducing by the second. As people are buying this coin, trading this coin, the coins are actually being burnt, which is crazy. So how exactly do you make money from PLC Ultima or from Ultima? Obviously, you can make money two ways. The first way is by just buying the coin and holding it. All right, this coin has already done 5,000% in the last 2 weeks. Okay, it started at $1, and right now it's trading at $5. You can see it on CoinsBit where it's listed. It's trading at $5, and obviously there's a whale. There's a whale who's selling a lot of coins here. But once this order is finished, you can see that there's literally no coins left. After these 2,000 coins here, you can literally see this guy has 0.002, and then you can see 0.01. Right? This is dust. So once this guy's order is done, this coin is moving into $100,000 and above. I can guarantee you that. So these are exciting times. You can still buy, at least before the farms launch today. You can still buy at $5,000. These coins are actually from the initial supply. All right. So it's just 2,000 that is left on the exchange to be purchased. And once this is done, this will be done today. All right, this will be done today. So how do you make money? Yeah, you're going to have to purchase a farm. Come to ultimafarm.com. Obviously, my referral link is going to be down, so you can follow that. And you can see that the farm works over the course of 12 to 36 months, and everything is transparently done through smart contracts. All right, smart contracts on the blockchain. So what it does is you are going to buy some coins from the exchange, like I showed you. You buy the coins from here or from anybody who can send to you, and then you transfer that into your farm and you freeze it. You're freezing it with smart contracts, and once you freeze it, you are going to be getting newly minted coins at the rate of 2.5% per month. All right, that's what comes down to 60% a year. All right, all minting transactions are available in the app. You can easily spend, transfer, or freeze them again, which is what I recommend you doing. Compound those profits, right, for maximum returns. So you're going to, after installing the farm, you log in, you create a wallet, right? You send your coins to it, you enter a smart contract, and then the coins will be minted. So I'm going to end by showing you my dashboard, and I'll show you the different farms that we have. Okay, let me just log in here. I already have an account, and I'm just going to put in my one-time password here. All right. So everybody has a dashboard. Once you create a free account, you're actually going to get this dashboard. And you can see your referral link here if you actually want to make some money. You can make some money from this, okay? So this is the dashboard. You can see my farm started is 0 because we're waiting for those farms to come out, all right? We're waiting for the farms to come out. So once they come out, I'm going to buy a farm. And basically, it's very straightforward. Once you pay for the farm, you download it. I've shown you the steps already. You download the app to your phone, install it, right? And then you just log in with your account that you've created here. Log in with that account, and then you start minting. But here's what I want to show you. These are the different farms you can buy. All right. So the way these farms work, it works with your capacity. There are different capacities. It's just like buying a farmland, right? One plot of land or 2 plots or 1 acre or 1 hectare, depending on how much you have and the scale of operations you want to run. Okay, so if you want to just plant corn or maize for your family, you can do that in the back of your house. But if you want to do commercial exports, you need a lot of land. So it's the exact same thing here. That's if you're new to farming. I'm just explaining that. So this is the lowest one here. You can see it's 110 euros. If you're in Nigeria, this is about 73,000, 74,000 naira, whatever the exchange rate is. And you can see here it says up the freezing max load. So this farm cannot take more than 0.02 PLCU. But that's the maximum it can take. It can take less, right? If you scroll up here, you will see somewhere it says, yeah, the minimum amount for creating a smart contract is 0.0001. Okay, so at the current price right now of $5,000, this is actually about $0.5, so very, very small. But the maximum this farm can take is 0.02. Okay, and if you convert that right now at the rate of $5,000, 0.02 comes down to $100. So you can buy coins worth $100 and fill up this farm, or you can do less. But the farm itself costs 110 euros, which is about $125. Okay, you have starter farms, so this is just higher capacity and obviously more expensive, about 5 times capacity and 5 times more expensive. And the basic is 0.2 capacity, right? And then it's 1,100 euros. The medium is 1 PLCU, 5,500 euros, right? So you can see different farms. If you have the money top of the range, come and buy the 550,000 euros. You will make this money back, guaranteed, because you are earning 60 PLCU per month. Do you know what that means? 60 PLCU per month. You know, at the rate of 5,000 is actually, you know, what? 300. Am I correct? Let's do the calculation. 60 PLCU times 5,000. That is 300. No way. $300,000. $300,000 per month. Yeah, that's actually correct. So, I mean, all these farms are profitable. Okay, just pick the one you can get started and make sure you reinvest your profits. You can reinvest your profits to buy bigger farms. You can do this for 3 years. All these farms will last for 3 years. Okay, last for 3 years. So once you buy the farm, you come here, click on upgrade, and then it's going to take you to where you can make your payment. But I'm sure that as of right now, yeah, it's not launched. So on this page is where you make the payment, and then you'll be able to get the farm. All right. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. You can see right now, the CEO already said that once they launch the farms, these remaining coins here are going to be burnt. These 2,300, right? Whatever coins are left from the initial supply that have not been purchased, is going to be burnt. So already the price will start moving up. Okay, I'm saying as of today, this thing may do 5x or 10x just by holding the coin. But if you have these farms, I mean, it's just going to be crazy, crazy gains. All right. So these are interesting times in crypto. If you are interested in this, use my referral link to get started. You know, in the descriptions. I also have a support group for you on WhatsApp and also Telegram. So you'll see all those links in the description if you need support in getting in. But what you need to do right now is make sure you go and get some of those coins, you know, on Coinsbit. All right, make sure you get those coins while it's still 5,000, because that's the lowest it will ever be. That's the lowest it will ever be. It's already it started at $1. All right, when it launched, I couldn't even get at $1. It was so fast. All right, but I was able to get some coins. But you can buy at $5,000 right now, and then just start making some insane gains. Okay, so hope to see you guys in the PLC Ultima community. Join my Telegram group and make sure you get started today. Take care, guys. Cheers.